Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture number 1 on gRPC for ASP.NET Core. In this lecture we will discuss what gRPC is, why it is useful, and how you can implement it using ASP.NET Core. gRPC is a high-performance open-source remote procedure call framework. It has the largest RPC mindshare and is the project under the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Built with modern technologies, it leverages HTTP2 and protocol buffers, making it highly efficient and well suited for modern applications that demand high performance and are platform independent. So here is an example of a gRPC client-server architecture where you can see that there is a gRPC server and multiple gRPC stubs or clients, and there is a service on the server which is developed in C++, and on the client side we have Ruby client and a Java Android client. As you can see that these both clients are developed in different programming languages because it is a language independent framework. So now we'll look at how gRPC works. At the core of the gRPC there are protocol buffers which serve multiple purposes. First of all, they provide a language independent way of defining protobuf messages, and then they define services that can be used by both servers and clients, and they serialize messages in a compact binary format which is faster and more efficient than text-based formats like JSON. So now we will look at how gRPC is different from HTTP APIs. Unlike HTTP APIs that uses HTTP 1.1, gRPC uses HTTP2 protocol, which allow for more efficient use of network resources through multiplexing. While HTTP APIs focus on the shape and content of HTTP, gRPC emphasizes contract first development using protocol buffers to define how data is structured and communicated. So these are some key features of gRPC. First of all, performance. gRPC utilizes HTTP2 for lower network usage, binary framing and header compression, which results in significantly better performance compared to traditional RESTful APIs. gRPC is supported across a wide range of programming languages, which ensures that you can use in a heterogeneous environments without any compatibility issue. With HTTP2, gRPC natively supports various streaming models: unary, server streaming, client streaming, and you can see bidirectional streaming, enabling real-time communication. So this was the introduction to gRPC. In next lecture we will see that how we can implement gRPC service in ASP.NET Core.